us to the bathroom. His bathroom, her bathroom, his section, hers. This sliding glass door can open between the shower and toilet. Massive rain head from Dormpracht all the way to the fixtures, just gorgeous. We have a nice prep area, steam room, sauna from Jaguar, jacuzzi from Banyo Design. You have floating vanity design with class marble, countertops, beautiful cabinetry, golden fixtures. Everything is just gorgeous. There are no doors for the bathrooms. It has 2 openings from both sides. Takes us seamlessly in and out to the bathroom. And this walk-in closet, gorgeous, super elegant, top brand, Mercantini, his, hers. I love every detail. 2 islands in the center, and the way they line the cabinetry here with the soft close, how the tracks are underneath the cabinetry is just super smooth, beautiful. Now returning to the family room, through this connecting walkway, we will notice the LED lighting that bathes the space in a warm and inviting glow during the evening. Now you look at the ceiling, perfect alignment of 16 wooden lines throughout the floor, incorporating 2,000 Italian spotlights indoor throughout the house and another 2,000 spotlights in the outdoor, all with Bose sound system connected to the TV that looked really small in that room. Let's explore the first bedroom after discovering the master bedroom. Now let's explore the first kids' bedroom. It's truly delightful. It features elegant wardrobes from Mercantini, complete with front glass doors, king-size bed, beautiful and funky, I love it. It boasts a creative and eye-catching design. Now I must say this huge chair is really beautiful, adding a touch of charm and style to the room. Nice fireplace from Cozy. The room showcases Swiss parquet flooring, complemented by Travertine, so sleek. Furthermore, the doors can be fully opened to reveal a private balcony, bringing in an element of outdoor living. That's the second bedroom. Travertine Swiss parquet continues here, fully opens to the balcony, Mercantini wardrobes, Banyo design, black and white,